Alright, so we're going to be flashing out the bottom of this window before we set our window in with the zip system. First time doing that, so just going to show you kind of what I learned on their website, how to do it. They want you to take one of these, put them at every corner like that. What I got shown. Kind of do that whole thing, press it in there. Same thing over here. I'm kind of bringing it all the way to the back too as well. Slit. Okay. And the next thing is to go across the bottom. So put that in the center, put it right in the corner. And here how they show me to do it, this was, on this one you cut up, lay this down like that, pull that tight, like so, that's good, and they want you to take a piece about that long, kind of put it like that. An angle, but it'll work. And here you cut this way, and then this will overlap that, just like so. That way you get that right lap over. Right. Just like that. So that's how they showed you to do it, and then you put your window in. Some people flash up the sides, take this all the way up. They didn't show me to do that on the system, and then they have you caulk in behind it, put your window in, and then you flash the other three sides. And then you obviously want to roll all this too before you are done.